Why do web developers use specific logic for big sites? Imagine trying to run a huge online store or a social media platform with millions of users. It's like trying to keep a busy city running smoothly. Developers don't just throw code together, they plan carefully. They use specific logic to make sure these big sites work well and stay secure. First, handling high traffic is a big challenge. When thousands or even millions of people visit at the same time, the website needs to respond quickly. Developers write code that processes user requests fast. They use techniques like dynamic page generation, which creates pages only when needed, instead of making every page beforehand. This keeps the site from slowing down or crashing under pressure. Next is data management. Big sites store tons of information in databases. Developers write logic to organize and find data quickly. They use indexing, which is like a digital filing system, so data can be retrieved fast. They also break large data sets into smaller parts using methods like pagination or incremental loading. This way, the system isn't overwhelmed by huge queries. Scalability is another key point. As a site grows, it needs to support more users and features without starting from scratch. Developers choose frameworks and architectures that can grow easily. They might use multiple servers or data centers to share the workload. This way, the site stays reliable even during busy times. Performance optimization is also essential. On the user side, developers pick tools like React, Angular, or Vue that update only parts of the page that change. They use caching to store data temporarily so it loads faster. Asynchronous processing allows parts of the site to work independently, making interactions smoother. Security is a major concern too. Big sites are often targets for hackers. Developers add logic to protect against common threats like SQL injection or cross-site scripting. They rely on frameworks with built-in security features to keep user data safe and maintain trust. Finally, big sites need code that is easy to update and fix. Developers organize code into modules or components. This makes it easier to add new features or fix bugs without messing up the entire system. For those learning web development without a traditional college degree, understanding these principles is a great start. Building skills in scalable architecture, data handling, security, and popular frameworks can help you work on large projects. You can learn these through online courses, tutorials, and hands-on practice. Practically, this means mastering server-side programming languages like PHP, Python, or JavaScript. You should learn how to manage databases such as MySQL or PostgreSQL. Picking frameworks that support growth and security, like Node.js or Django, is also important. Writing clean, modular code that can be easily expanded is a good habit. Knowing how front-end and back-end work together to deliver fast, reliable experiences is key. When you focus on these areas, you develop the specific logic needed for big websites. This can open many doors in your web development career, even if you don't have a traditional degree. The skills you build will help you contribute to large-scale projects and grow in the tech world.